Okay, let's proceed. Do you know that money hates those who are desperate to get it? Ego, paper. Money hates those who are desperate to get it. Haven't you asked yourself that question? Why be say you go see somebody we no even supposed to get money? I know say everybody's supposed to get money. You will see somebody go say, how this person can't get money past me? How this person can't get money past my papa? That's past my brother. This my brother, and I'm supposed to get money. Money hates those who are desperate to get it. Money hates noise. Money